Hi guys, if you want the values in any column up to 2 decimal places only, then how to do this? What you can do, let's say in this whole column you want up to 2 decimal places only, then just select this column, click on format, hover your mouse on number, and then this menu will open. Just go to custom number format, click on it, and just type 0.00. Let's say you want up to 1 decimal places only, then you can type 0.00, up to 3, type 3, whatever you want. But in this case, we only want up to 2 decimal places, and click on apply. And that's it. This is how it will be done. Now, let's say you want to do it with another method. So in that case, what we can do, let's say these values we want in another column. So let's double click on the cell of the other column, the first value, type a function equals to round, okay, and start the bracket, select the first one, and then comma, and type 2, up to 2 places only, close it and hit enter. Okay, and then what you can do, you can just drag it like this, and that's it. Now you can delete this column if you want. Thanks for watching. Please do like,